Are you ready to unlock the lucrative world of tech sales? The opportunities are endless. With an average rep salary of $70,000, tech sales is a golden ticket to financial freedom. The global tech industry is worth a staggering $5 trillion, driving an unprecedented growth journey. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a fresh graduate, there's a place for you in tech sales. This guide offers a roadmap to navigating the exciting realm of tech sales careers. You will learn essential skills, effective networking techniques, and how to craft standout applications. Discover the fantastic benefits of being a tech sales professional, including limitless earning potential. Tech sales provides a flexible, autonomy-filled environment, allowing you to thrive on your terms. Imagine working in a field where your income directly reflects your effort and success. You'll find various roles in tech sales, from sales development reps to account executives and beyond. Not everyone starts as an account executive. Entry positions are crucial stepping stones in tech sales. Tech sales is easy to scale compared to other industries. It's a salesperson's paradise. Investments in sales technology are skyrocketing, doubling within just 1 year. Why is that? Investors adore the tech industry due to its scalable nature, making it a field worth exploring. The more you excel at sales, the more your earnings can soar through commissions and bonuses. Tech sales empowers you to crush quotas, generating six-figure incomes with hard work and dedication. Building strong relationships is at the heart of sales. It's not just about transactions. In tech sales, you control your income potential and the freedom to pursue creative sales strategies. Job security in tech sales remains strong even in uncertain economic times, a crucial factor to consider. You don't need to be a tech genius. Resilience, adaptability, and effective communication are key. Focus on developing interpersonal skills that set you apart from competitors in the tech sales arena. Continuous learning is vital. Stay updated on industry trends and deepen your product knowledge. Networking is your ally. Attend events and connect meaningfully with industry professionals. Leverage social media to enhance your visibility and attract potential employers in tech sales. Craft a compelling resume tailored to tech sales that highlights your skills and triumphs. Prepare for interviews by understanding the company's products and practicing common interview questions. Showcasing your problem-solving prowess can make you an irresistible candidate for tech sales roles. A software sales portfolio can serve as undeniable proof of your milestones and achievements in sales. Use storytelling to create a vivid picture of how your solutions can positively impact prospects. Great salespeople exhibit confidence. Let your passion for the product shine through in discussions. Endeavor to create winning deliverables for your portfolio to leave a lasting impression during interviews. With determination, resilience, and a hunger for success, you're primed to conquer the tech sales world.